Solve 9x cube minus 31x plus 10 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 9x cube in place of minus 31x. Now I write minus 1x minus 30x plus 10 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 9x square minus from this x out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 10. So here we get 3x and here we get minus 1 equal to 0. Now, in place of this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 9x square minus 1 equal to, now 9 is 3 square x square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. So 3 square x square is 3x whole square minus 1 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. So in place of a we have 3x, in place of b 1. So we get 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1. This no change equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 3x plus 1, and here we are left with minus 10 equal to 0. Now 3x minus 1. You open up the brackets, you get 3x square plus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 3x square plus x minus 10. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. In place of plus 1x, now I write plus 6x minus 5x minus 10. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 3x. From this 3x out you get x, plus from this 3x out you get 2. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside we get minus 5. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 2 common. So here we have 3x and here minus 5. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 3x minus 1, x plus 2, 3x minus 5 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 3x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 3x equal to 1. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to 1 by 3. Now here I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. Now here I should remove minus 5, so add 5. You get 3x equal to 5. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to 5 by 3. So the x values that we got are 1 by 3, minus 2 and 5 by 3. This is our answer.